Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Power BI Desktop is installed and updated. This avoids version conflicts. Open your PBIX file or connect to the data source directly, then wait for the data model to load. Once loaded, make sure relationships and columns appear in the fields pane. If visuals don't render instantly, check the status bar for queries. These first actions get you into the dashboard quickly, so you can inspect visuals and interactions without wasted setup time. Once done opening, move to Report View to browse dashboard pages. That's where visuals live. Click any visual to see which fields power it in the Visualizations and Fields panes, and note applied filters in the Filters pane. Use the Selection and Bookmarks panes to understand layered visuals and saved views. If you need details, enable Tooltips or Drill Through to inspect underlying records, so you can validate assumptions and understand why a chart looks the way it does. After inspecting, refresh the dataset to ensure values are current, then adjust slicers and visual interactions to create the view you need. Use view options to fit the page or switch to actual size for precise layout checks. If visuals are missing or slow, run Performance Analyzer and check query diagnostics. Make sure relationships are correct and no broken measures exist. If a visual still errors, restart Power BI Desktop and reload the file. That often clears cache-related issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.